Hello everybody, my name is Jake Rattery. Today I'm going to be explaining epistasis as well as dominant epistasis in the form of the Wolfpack and Tar Heels. Epistasis is an interaction where one gene controls the phenotype of another gene for a trait through suppression. Both genes have an influence on the physical appearance of the trait, but the one that shows epistasis masks the effect of the other. The genotype of the specimen will not be altered, however, the phenotypic trait displayed will depend on the inherited genes. If the epistatic gene was not present, then the hidden gene would be expressed normally. Dominant epistasis happens when the dominant allele of one gene masks the expression of all alleles of another gene. Anytime an organism inherits one or two copies of the dominant allele, they will display that trait. This pathway will help you better understand how this works. Here you can see in our cross between two of the same genotypes, a big A, big B, little b, or a red wolf crossed with a red wolf, we will come across a typical 9:3:3:1 ratio. This is the most common epistatic ratio. We can see that you will end up with 4 different types of offspring since both parents were carrying both alleles. When we look at another cross between a big A, big B, and little a, big B, little b, you will notice a very different ratio that may not have been expected. This is a 1-to-1 ratio that can occur in different modes of epistasis. We end up with 2 colors of offspring, however, the parents only produced wolves due to only a single parent carrying the little b allele. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have learned a little bit about epistasis as well as dominant epistasis. If you didn't pick up on the genetic material, maybe you picked up on the Wolfpack being dominant to the Tar Heels. Keep that in mind when choosing who should teach you genetics. Go Pack!